teaser again, you know? But
it's just torturing.
We're getting there. We're getting there. Hang in there. I'm going to take you back to yesterday. You know, yesterday I mentioned it was going to be very windy. Well, it sure was very windy. Those winds whipping up well over 50 miles per hour in some spots yesterday. Paul saying they shot in from Amherst of some tree damage in his yard up in that direction. And we did have some sporadic power outages. Even though we kind of lucked out with severe thunderstorms yesterday afternoon, they really never materialized. We did have some severe thunderstorm wind damage during the morning hours as a storm hit the Chautauqua, Lake Erie Lakeshore in the morning hours. So we kind of lucked out, at least in that department. But boy, it was windy out there. Well, at least the winds have subsided. And as we take a peek at the satellite picture at noontime today, we're looking at the clouds thinning out right now in areas to the south. It has been cloudier this morning down across the southern tier. We've had that filtered sunshine going on across northern areas. A lot of high clouds everywhere across the region so far today. It sure hasn't been bright sunshine by any means. But even down to the south, the clouds are thinning out a little bit. So you'll catch a little bit of partial sunshine initially this afternoon, even south of the city. But more of these clouds from the south are going to be working back into that region by mid to late afternoon. And we're going to be watching some of these rain showers because some of them could clip the Pennsylvania line maybe later this afternoon. Well, taking you off the waterfront at noontime, another shot of the eastern end of the lake here. And you can see some of those high clouds drifting across the area, kind of filtering that sunshine a bit, even across the Buffalo Metro as we've worked through the morning hours. And down to the south at Chautauqua Lake, the David Phelps webcam at Burtis Bay, you can see the clouds thinning out a little bit and a little bit of sun actually showing up on the buildings here in the foreground. But those thicker clouds will be arriving again by late afternoon. This has been an interesting map to look at today. This is the 24-hour temperature change between this time yesterday and now. And we are 26 degrees colder out there right now in Buffalo by yesterday's standards, 28 degrees colder at Dunkirk. Now, as we take a peek at the super microcast, you can see the clouds moving back in from the south during the afternoon. Maybe a few rain showers sneaking in here along the Pennsylvania line late this afternoon. Those rain showers will overspread all of the area tonight and work up into the Buffalo Metro already in time for the morning commuter hours tomorrow. And then they will start to dissipate during the afternoon. You might have noticed a few pink shades in there. That's indicative of a few wet flakes mixing in with the rain. And it might even change over to all snow maybe on the very highest hilltops for a period tonight. Little accumulation expected. And then finally, as we get back into Thursday, a more tranquil day, partly cloudy skies, maybe a little cloudier across northern areas during the afternoon. 47 degrees at Buffalo and Niagara Falls and also at Dunkirk right now. We have a 46 down there at Jamestown, 45 at Wellsville. For the afternoon, the sunset time is 7:55, and for the rest of this Tuesday, it will be partly sunny, but becoming cloudier again in areas to the south, especially mid to late afternoon. There's a chance of a shower along the PA line toward evening, 47 to 53. For the overnight, thickening clouds, rain showers spreading northward across the region, mixing with some snowflakes on the highest hills to the south, 33 to 37. Rain showers tomorrow, diminishing in the afternoon. Again, maybe a few flakes in the mix, especially early in the day in the hills to the south, 44 to 49. And back to partly cloudy skies on Thursday with increasing clouds northern areas in the afternoon. A milder day, 54 to 58. On Friday, we turn things around. Morning sunshine, afternoon clouds, 53, and that gives way to more rain Friday night into Saturday. And it looks like maybe a soaking rain around here, at least for a while for the first half of the weekend. This weekend, not looking anything like the last one, that's for sure.
Or feeling like it.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. That's all I got to say.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, Mike.